Okay, now we are showing you if the one panel in the middle of the display is broken or we need repair, we can take out the whole panel from the middle. Okay. Still, we need 2 screwdrivers or something and insert through the LED bars. You need 2 guys working at the same time and just press the ring downward, and then you can take out the whole panel. 先往外，对，往外拉点，这样。You see the top panel will not block the way of the bottom panel. And then after you take it out a little bit, you can just pull 往上提 lift the whole panel, and now it's detached from the bracket. So you can either do it from the front side or the back side, and you can take out the panel, one panel from the middle. So it's very easy and convenient, and also very safe because we have the safety rope here. See? Okay. Okay, now we just put the panel back. Still, you first need to fix the bottom and then the top, and also you need to pull the ring so that it can insert into the slot of the aluminum channel. See?